That's a softest place to sleep over here. Yeah, it's so cozy. Now I can sleep really very well now. Hey Duck, why are you taking me over here? Don't worry, I'm holding you. You'll not fall down now. Go up. Yes, you can do it. Yes. What a cute cat. What the What a cute little cat. What a cute little cat. Let's pam para parira para pam pam para parira para pam pam para parira para pam para pam para parira para pam pam para parira para pam pam para parira para. Hey pussycat, come here. I will catch you. Come fast, jump. Hey cat, look over here. Go. You can win. Fight with him. Go. Come. Don't go back. Come. You can win. Fight with him. Hey pussycat, there is a surprise for you inside the box. So move from there, okay? Hey, what are you doing? Don't fight with him. He's your friend. It was a surprise for you. What are you doing? This dog over here is a very dangerous dog. He's beast mode son. Don't try to mess with him. Otherwise, he will eat you up. Hey, there is a good news for everyone. This cat is going to have a baby. Hey, you foolish dog. Don't you understand? Here is your place to sit. Not here. Get up from there. It's a manicure time for you, my friend. He's cutting your nails. So don't move, otherwise you will get hurt. Don't move, okay? Otherwise you will get hurt. Hey, what are you doing? You are hurting him. Do it slowly. Don't crush up. Now it's time for doing it, okay? The end. Goodbye, fellas.